there's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
As part of the ongoing repairs and restorations to the old 72 bus we picked up, we're replacing these handles, and you would think it would be a simple task, but these handles have a button. Kind of see it there, and that button is to release them. They actually lock, so there's a latch in there. So in order to do that, there's a couple pieces that we're going to need to replace. And so I kind of have to disassemble some stuff. I figured I'd go ahead and film one of them while we're doing it, just in case you've never done this or you're finding it in the future when you're about to do this. Take a look at this one down here, and I'll show you. First, the problem you're going to run into is that if the handle has broken off like this one has, it's locked. It won't open. So you just need to push a screwdriver in there to release that, and that exposes the hinge here. Okay, so you're going to go ahead. I'm going to back off if I can. I'm just going to back off this one here. We don't need to remove it all the way. And then I'm going to remove this one most of the way. Actually, I'll go ahead and pull that out since it was so easy. And then this one we take out all the way as well. And you'll see when we take this off, there's a part in here we have to replace. And it's a little difficult to see it, but so hopefully you can see. I know it's not the brightest in here, but see how when we push down, well, you're taking your wedge and you're placing it in there so that when you push down on it, it activates. So you're going to stick that in there, take out your old one, stick it back through, and we'll go ahead and tighten up our bolts again. And now you can see when I push on the pin, it's releasing. Now on our handle, we just had to take the small end and stick it through there before we put it back in. There's our button. Right. And then we'll line it up. Doesn't matter which one you start with, just make sure that it gets put through that pin right there. There we go. And then do the same thing on the outside. That's it. Look, it locks. Press the button and it releases. It's a real pain when these things break in the middle of a road trip. So I went ahead and ordered these from Bus Depot, and you know, I think they were $9.99 a piece. Of course, with inflation, who knows what they cost a month later. Anyway, it's a short video, but I wanted to show that to you in case you ever ran across that on your bus. Till next time, my friends. Take care.